Hello guys, today we're gonna make a video on Honda CG125 rear suspension. Uh, we have noticed that if you if you press the rear suspension, there is a play in here. Let me just press it. So what we're gonna do is today we're gonna replace the rear suspension bushes on both sides. So we're gonna show you how to do that. Okay guys, we're gonna use a 14 mil spanner to take the bolts off. Okay guys, I'm just gonna take the metal sleeve out. There you go guys, that's the metal sleeve out, and then I'm gonna drive the bush out, force it out with the flathead screwdriver, just like that. So I've just taken this out. This is our new bush which we're gonna slide in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take the metal sleeve out. Obviously I'm putting a new metal sleeve as well. Okay, we can call it metal sleeve or spacer that goes in the middle of the bush, and this is the new bush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some oil on it so that it becomes a little bit softer and easy to work with. Just gonna apply grease on it or just a little bit oil on it. It makes it easier to work with. Okay guys, so I've applied oil on it now, and just gonna slide that in, and there you go guys, that's all in nicely. And I put the sleeve back in just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna put the rear shock absorber back into its place. Cut. Okay guys, now that we have put the suspension bush back into place, we're just gonna slide the suspension to its place and see how it goes. Just gonna tighten the nuts now. Okay. Hey guys, just gonna test it now. Job done guys.